It's down river. Bridge. And then Shaoxing Okay.
Okay.
But side. Very dangerous. Ow.
Okay.
Front side.
Okay.
Japanese.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Anchen.
Okay.
Search. Okay.
Okay. Today we're going for the winter canoe. Have you canoe during winter before? And this is our canoe by the Zufu grandfather. He's gonna bring us. Okay.
Small kitchen.
Look, he's making coffee here. Amazing. Look, he's grinding coffee. In a boat, they use alcohol to make fire, cooking. No gas, no diesel, alcohol. Wow.
Very hot.
Okay.
Marine soup.
Okay. Wow.
Very hot.
Yeah.
The most amazing tiny cooking I've ever seen. He just cooked tapioca cake for us. Amazing. Wow. With hot coffee. Wow. This is fabulous. So nice. Wow. Thank you. 很好吃. Wow, very nice. Amazing. And his kitchen is the smallest, tiniest kitchen I ever seen. Talking about tiny home, this one cannot fight, you know. Amazing. What a wonderful experience. We completed our canoe today, winter canoe. It's interesting. Did you have fun?
Yes. Yes, I did.
Alright. We had fun.